Hey everyone, this is Marisa with Sweet Pea Curiosities. I haven't been on for a little bit, but I just thought I'd pop in for a quick little video. Last week I created a sunflower junk journal kit, and I'm going to be making the larger junk journal with these. But my file folders have been so popular that I thought, well, I'll create a file folder kit as well. And they're so easy. I literally did it today. I finished the digital for it as well as completed the file folder kit. So that's what this is. This here's the junk journal kit. So it's kind of a supplement to it. There's a little bit more in the junk journal kit as far as ephemera and that sort of thing, but then there's some extras in the file folder kit. I didn't print out the kit to show you like I do here, but I just thought I would just go through the file folder. So it's really pretty yellows, has the tabs. Of course, they come like file folders, so you don't have to make a book. I used the no-sew binding technique, which is on one of my other videos, to explain that. Usually when I do the no binding, I use a linen tape. This time I used some of my washi tape, but I glued it on each one because I had the yellow and I wanted a yellow binding. So it seems to be working well and holding really good. I've never used washi tape for this type of binding, so I thought I'd give it a try. So with these kits, all my file folder kits, they come with 9 file folders on each, and then I double side print them for that. So I'll just go ahead and go through. I've kind of embellished the front. I had some little flowers that I stuck on here. I put a corner pocket on the front for some of the ephemera. It comes with all the different little words. Of course, you can, add your own however you would like. I tried to do a little bit different than I have in my other ones. And then it just kind of opens up, and it comes with tons of pockets. It comes with these panel pieces here that you can put on the front. I've shown that on some of my other ones, and make the side pockets. This one I put on the front, and I made a pocket on the top. And these are the little tabs that come through it, so they're easier to pull out your ephemera. And then I just put a pocket here to the front. Has the little sayings that you can put it anywhere that you'd like. Yellow flower, definition words. And then just pretty, whoops, I think I missed a page here. And then it also has the little index cards, which are great for journaling on. I've added some words onto those, and I've put those throughout. Pretty graphics. The graphics are similar to my junk journal kit, although I've added some different colors, more little darker colors, blacks and that sort of thing onto this one here. Left some spots here for journaling. Again, some more little file folders that I've put in. Left some journaling. Here's one of those panel pieces that I put over the top, and then I've stuck some ephemera and some journaling cards. Again, just more pockets. So lots of pockets in this, lots of things to play with. And it's kind of fun. It's like I said, I think it's an easy project. I did it in a day. So sometimes these are really, easy to do. They're great little gifts, happy mail, that sort of thing. They're light enough for shipping and that sort of thing if you have somebody that you'd like to send them to. Again, some more little pockets, pretty graphics. These are the rounded pockets that I have with some little ephemera inside. Here's another one of those panels that I put down. Use those tabs again. So they're easy to pull. They kind of stick right there, so which is nice. You don't lose them into the pocket. Although I kind of glue about right here, so it's not as deep unless I have something that I'm going to stick in there that's deep, just so it doesn't kind of fall inside there. And more pockets, more index cards. This here, I did one of those panels and I put the index cards to the side. Try to do something a little different. Again, some more pockets. And it does have lots of ephemera as well with this, but the Junk Journal kit definitely has a little bit more ephemera to add. So if you want to mix some more pockets, and I did say this in one of my other videos, you can reduce the sizes. So you could make this smaller and you could have it into a junk journal as well, which would be neat. And I'm thinking about doing that when I make my junk journal with that sunflower kit, just to kind of add a little, extra in there. So tried to leave some journaling pages so people could write in them if they'd like. This here's another one of those panel pieces with some ephemera. Again, more pockets. Some of the words. These are those rounded pockets, and I've just put those to the side. Here's another panel piece that I stuck in some ephemera. Some more journaling area. And that's it. So very easy. But like I said, I just thought I'd pop in and say hello. I haven't been on for a little bit. We just, we do a lot of, like I said before, we do a lot of camping. And again, I was camping and this last weekend, and we've got some friends coming in from New Orleans, and they're going to be here all day tomorrow. We're taking them to all the wineries. They really wanted to come and see the Oregon wineries. And so we're taking them to do that tomorrow. And so hopefully I'll have more, though, done this week. Some more videos and some more kits and that sort of thing. So thank you so much for watching. And I hope that you're all doing well. And I will have the links to both of these kits, the Sunflower Junk Journal kit, as well as the file folder kit down below. And like always, please subscribe, and hope you're all doing well, and you have a great day. Thank you.